Hallelujah. Yeah.
Can I sing with you?
You want to sing?
Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she threw the hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen a light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah.